Prepare tools before installation. Pry bar, T10 torque screwdriver, T20 torque screwdriver, cross screwdriver. Turn off the main screen before disassembly. Remove the rear outlet cover. Select T20 torque screwdriver. Disassemble the rear outlet cover. Select T10 torque screwdriver. Remove the USB mainboard. Remove the original vehicle clips. Install the original clips on the screen. Install the USB mainboard on the screen. Install the rear outlet cover on the screen. Remove the blue plug of the original vehicle. Connect it with our harness. Plug the other end of our harness back into the original car. Restore the original vehicle. Remove the side trim panel of the seat, connect the wires, and the seat adjustment and massage feature will work.